Hello guys, welcome to my study tour vlog. This is a video of my trip from Palembang to Lampung to go to Bakauheni Port to cross to Java Island. And this is the view around the ship during the crossing. The view was so beautiful. Okay, and finally, I arrived at Java Island. I continue my journey to go to the Akademi Kepolisian Akpol or Police Academy in Semarang, Central Java, Indonesia. Okay guys, and I have arrived at the Police Academy or Akpol. When I looked around, this Police Academy really made me amazed because there was a big statue. After that, there was a museum inside, which the contents of these museums were about the Police Academy or police matters, which made me really like that. And finally, the visit to the Police Academy was over, and we continued our journey to Bali Island. And we arrived at Bali Island. Bali Island is really beautiful and very beautiful. Made me amazed when I first arrived here. On the first day, I went to Uluwatu Bratan Lake and I went to the Souvenir Center and watched the typical Balinese dance, namely the Kecak dance. On the second day, I continued my journey via the Mandara Toll Road to Tanjung Benoa using a bus to play water sport. And I was really happy there because I visited Turtle Island. Then, after that, I went to Masti Beach and finally Panglipuran Village and a typical Balinese food there. On the third day, I continued my journey to go to Great Temple, a scared tourist spot in Bali, namely the Tanah Lot Temple, which is accompanied by a truly beautiful and stunning ocean view. And the trip to Bali Island was completed for 3 days 2 nights. Finally, I continued the journey to one of the very beautiful mountains, namely Mount Bromo. Walking to Mount Bromo, in my opinion, was really beautiful. Using a jeep at very morning to go to Sunrise Point, and I saw a beautiful sunrise. Mount Bromo is really so beautiful, even though if it's not covered by a sea of clouds, it does not mean that it is an obstacle. The beauty of Bromo, it's still beautiful, however it is. And yeah, the Bromo trip is finished. Finally, we headed to one of the cities that is really my favorite, namely Jogja. Jogja is really very beautiful with the trip and also activities for 2 days 1 night. Jogja is very calm at night. I went to Malioboro, then the next day continued the trip to Churheha Sky View and play jeep in Merapi. Then a visit to Gadjah Mada University. Jogja is very beautiful. Thank you Jogja for the happy memories. And this is my last trip, namely Bandung. Bandung is not special like Jogja, but as beautiful as the city is peaceful, calm, and very complete. I am here heading to the road Braga, looking for souvenirs and heading to the floating market and going to the Kawah Putih too. And finally, my trip from beginning to end in Bandung, and this is my trip back to my hometown of Palembang. The 10-day trip felt like one day. Lots of exciting things and countless memories made me understand many things. Thank you very much, study tour. See you on the next trip.